Are you looking for a better way to manage your maintenance strategy? Welcome to Coast. Coast is a flexible, mobile first maintenance platform that adapts to your needs. Since 2018, we've helped teams move from their sticky notes and spreadsheets to a simple, all in one workspace. Today, over 10,000 teams rely on Coast to keep their operations running smoothly. Coast maintenance software combines communication and maintenance, so you're able to update your team in real time when a work order appears and even set reminders for preventative maintenance tasks. Let's take a quick look at an example. When I click into my calendar here, I can see all of the work orders that are coming up this month. And it is really easy for me to click into one of these work orders and see all of the information that is necessary for me to complete this work order. Everything from a due date to reminders, locations to assets, really helping me know exactly how to handle this specific piece of maintenance. I can even communicate with my team down below and make sure I'm addressing any needs or sharing information about the work order that's taking place. And this can all be done straight from the computer or on a mobile device like a phone or a tablet, where you can see here I quickly logging into all of my work orders on my phone, where I can see all of that additional information as well. Now, what's also great is work orders, preventative maintenance, both can be handled by Coast, but we also help with another maintenance task, asset management, where you can track all of your different assets and track the information on these assets. Things like manufacturing, models, serial numbers, purchase dates, even upload user manuals and pictures. What's awesome as well is for compliance purposes, we'll help you track all of the work orders that have ever been taken place on this asset so that you know the work that is being done. Now, with Coast, many other things can be handled. Things like tracking your parts inventory and seeing what's in stock and what's out of stock. Vendor management to be able to help you keep track of all of those people that are working with you and the businesses that you work alongside. And what's great is this isn't even the best piece yet. The best part, you can quantify all of the data like wrench time or downtime tracking, all from a simple set of reports that Coast offers. You can look into metrics like work order completion percentage and even mean time to repair. You can access these reports from your desktop and also on the go from your mobile app. Now, access all of these features and more using Coast maintenance software. And if you don't find exactly what you need, Coast software is flexible enough to adapt to your needs.